Dodge, can you spot a dumbass bitch?
Stop, you dumb hoe. I'm so sorry I said that. I take it back. I'm not sorry at all.
Penny, you sure you want to eat right now? I was thinking about going for a walk.
Say, I need you to put the cat down. Please. Ask him nicely.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
And then she tried to do it again, and I was like, are you dumb? Because that just doesn't make sense. Like, it just wasn't getting through to her.
Fried pickles.
Whisper. Good job, Whisper. Whisper.
You can go swimming.
Am I walking you or you walking me? Oh, I'm walking you. Okay.
What face you make when you see a girl walk in the house with a stained booty?
You're such a baby. You're a baby.